Today we will discuss how to convert 2D image into 3D image. So at the end of the video, you will learn how to make this image in a 3D printer. For that, we select a website. It's called Lithophone. So Lithophone means 2D image to 3D image. I will give this link in the description. So first you will go there, then upload image. I upload the image that I have, and then um, go to the edit. Then if you want to make any edit in here, like increasing light or green or blue, you can do it in here. Also brightness, okay, like that. So play with that. Then we are going for the model. In the model, I like so it generates the model plane shape. I like the model in arc, so it is generating this arc, and you can see it is the arc shape. So also you can make it cylindrical like this one, then sphere, so there will be a light inside there. Also pumpkin, then circular like that. So my preference is the arc and circular one, and you see there is a border it generates, so we can select the border or not select the border. So border will give you some strength of the frame, but at the same time it will take some materials, and if you do not like the border, then you can select none. It will generate frame, and this is the border. Yes, okay. Then this is 100 millimeter height, so I can make it 300 400 meter like that. But I'm using Ender 3 version 2, and it has a maximum 220 millimeter height, so I cannot reach that height. I have to calculate based on my printer. I can go maximum 200 will be safe for me. Then angle, you can make it more angular like that, or you can make it 60 degree like that. Then minimum thickness, that means you can see that this thickness in general, it make a thickness in there, and based on the color contrast it makes different thickness in there. So you can also choose minimum thickness in there, and now you see that based on the thickness you are losing some image gradient. So I suggest using pointed minimum thickness. Then if you want to crop it, it will crop it. Okay, and inside crop it takes all of them. All right, then quality option, uh, preview model. So if you want to make it high preview, it is generating the high preview. This is the high preview model. So for the preview, I don't want to like high preview because it slow the process. Then the most important thing is the attributes. So we will see one by one. So the enable lamp attributes, it gives this type of stand. So this one is the like light lamp. You can put the light lamp in there, and the light will be in here somewhere. And you can also control this one by tweaking this distance. It is increased, decreased. Okay, now we can check the other one, close button. So this close button, it doesn't give you the light option, it gives this one, and you can increase the thickness of this one. So it will help um, you to extend the picture in there, so the picture will not fall down. All right, next one that I love most, this one, night lamp. So it will take some materials from there. At the same time, if you want to put the LED strip light in here, and you have the options. So for example, you want to put the LED strip light in here, in here, in here, then take the wire in this hole and make the connection somewhere, and you can make the distance, then width, then this one, thickness. Yeah, so I like these attributes. Okay, then image option, there is not that much. And then we click the download. So it is saying that uh, low on filament, get the best filament with the result eSun, then hatchbox, then overture white filament. So you have to use white filament, which is 1.75 millimeter, and I used eSun and it gives a really good result. So my suggestion is to use uh, their recommended uh, filament. Okay, so it gives us the option lithophone and the attribute. That means it will download these attributes and the color lithophone. We will download both these ones. So we check the color lithophone. What does it mean? So color lithophone means it generates a how can I say, something binary image based on the color contrast. So you will print this picture, then put it behind the okay, I can show in here. So you will you will print this picture and put it in here. So when the light will comes past the picture, it will give the color background in here, like in here, different. All right, so the model comes and it shows it is bigger model, so I have to reduce it, and I am reducing it using I can say 70%, and make sure that this uniform scaling is marked. Okay, then make it 0 0. Okay, all right, so the model comes in here. You can see the printout, and you can also increase the model size. I can say 75. Let's see. Okay, it's increased. And in the quality, make sure this is 0.16, and wall thickness infill is 20%, and the build plate edition, you should select brim or wrapped. Skirt is not working for this model, so brim or wrapped will be work for this one. I guess that's all, and then slice it and make the printer.